Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. For part A, start with a length counter of 1 because the starting value is already the first term of the sequence. Then use a loop that continues while n equals 1. If n is even, replace it with n divided by 2. Otherwise, replace it with 3 times n plus 1. Each time you generate a new term, increase the counter. When the sequence reaches 1, return the counter. For part B, a sequence is long when its length is greater than its starting value, so the method should simply return whether Hailstone length n. For part C, check every starting value from 1 through n. Use isLongSeek for each value and count how many are long. Then return the proportion by. Great job tracing through that code. Remember to track each variable carefully. Practice with Sovi to build your Java debugging skills.